So far in this course, we've discussed what scenes are and why you should use multiple scenes for your streams. This lesson will cover my number one advanced trick I suggest everyone uses: nesting scenes by using a scene as a source within another scene. I'm Dwayne Burke, here to help make OBS less scary and more fun. And welcome back to my tutorial course. The entire course is linked in the video description, and if your question isn't answered in this video, please check there. There's probably no end of uses for nesting scenes within OBS Studio, but there are a few which I find to be particularly useful. One use is to get around the annoying issue of sources being global and showing any changes you make to them in all scenes. Having a scene with your webcam, for example, that you then add to other scenes will allow you to be more creative and more flexible in your stream setups. Another more advanced use of scene nesting is how I handle my stream alerts overlays. Instead of adding individual browser sources, image files, and text reads to each scene to compose my layout, I just made a scene called alerts that I can then add to each scene I want it on. Then, if I update the alert scene, any updates are passed on to every scene it's nested in, saving me a ton of time. I also use nested scenes to create more complex on-screen effects, like this instant replay effect or this GTA wasted effect that I can then trigger with a Stream Deck, Touch Portal, or basically any macro keypad. With scene nesting, the possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination and your creativity. That's it for this lesson. If this lesson was helpful for you, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel with notifications on for more OBS tutorials, and if you want to see lessons from this course in action, come give me a follow on Twitch and say hello in chat. I'll see you next time, and as always, stream on.